Well, condolences are in order. Still to another sad story. Kenya's gospel artist Betty Bayo is dead. Bayo, well known for her hit song 11th Hour, died at Kenyatta National Hospital at midday while battling leukemia. Her demise was confirmed by her family and her ex-partner, Pastor Victor Kanyari. Upon her death, various top leaders, including President William Ruto, sent their messages of condolence. Well, condolences once again to the family of the late Betty Bayo. Let's take a short break right here on KTN Prime. We'll be back with much more in terms of the latest news making headlines. Stay with us. See you on the other side.